Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Family Link app on your parent device and signing in if needed. Make sure the child's device is nearby and both phones are online, because Family Link confirms changes with the child device. Once done, tap the child's name to open their profile, then look for the Controls or Settings button. This is where you'll change supervision options. I'm telling you this early so you don't get blocked waiting for a verification prompt or an app update mid-process. Now you'll dig into the middle steps. Tap Manage Settings and choose the category you need: Google Play, Apps, Screen Time, or Location. For app approvals, turn off Require Approval so the child can install without permission. For filters, change Web and Google Play settings to less restrictive modes. If you want to stop screen limits, edit daily limits or bedtime and set them to unlimited. Make changes one section at a time, so you can confirm each setting syncs to the child's device. Finally, to finish, you can stop supervision entirely by selecting Stop Supervision or Remove Account in the child's profile. Follow the confirmation prompts and then complete the verification on the child's device. This permanently ends Family Link monitoring for that account, so make sure you really want that. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to ensure both devices are updated and online. If removal still fails, sign out, reboot, and try again, or clear app data, or use the child device's account removal settings as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.